Today, we live in a world of constant change and fluidity. It's no longer a world where efficiency and repetition defines success. The rate of change is increasing exponentially. The extent of interconnection is unprecedented. It is a new game. What matters most is how you create change and how you adapt to change. But large numbers of people are being left out. They don't have the skills needed to play in this new game. A new inequality has emerged. Ashoka, one of the largest networks of social entrepreneurs worldwide, recognizes the need of the hour.
So the new inequality in the world is between the people who are in the new game and the people who are out. And that's what's dividing the world. And the world has a choice. Are we going to make sure that everyone can contribute? Everyone can be a player, everyone a change maker. That's Ashoka's core goal.
Change-making is the need of the hour, and the demand for those who can adapt to and contribute to change is accelerating exponentially. But this requires a whole new set of skills: cognitive empathy, sophisticated teamwork, collaborative leadership, ability to create more leaders and find solutions to problems through resourceful creativity. To make this a reality, Ashoka is working towards channeling the power of the youth into building a better tomorrow.
We're at a moment in history, a turning point that's very profound, and we have to have young people playing a major role in the leadership of that transition. Young people are completely critical. They have to master these skills to be able to be contributors. That's the central, most important thing they've got to do.
With schools playing a pivotal role in developing peer interaction and tipping the local culture toward greater youth leadership, Ashoka has now brought its attention to developing change-making through schools.
Every child a change maker.
A lot of schools started reaching out to us, saying that you recognize our child as a change maker. How can we develop other children also on the same path? And that's really was one of the needs which we felt, that educational institutes are craving to change with time, and they were struggling to get the framework right. So Ashoka, in partnership with Oracle, then stepped in and said, what we can do is we can set up certain platforms, which now we call Changemaker Days, which will help other children, parents, teachers, and school leadership to learn about change maker skills and how do you build an ecosystem at a school level.
My change-making journey actually started from the same school.
Ashoka organizes Changemaker Days in schools to introduce them to the concept of change-making. Delhi Public School Gurugram, one of the most prestigious schools in the NCR, experienced one such extremely fruitful session.
Whenever they go out for the open defecation, they carry a dabba with them.
The students got a chance to interact with Ashoka changemakers who shared their experiences with them. Changemakers came and shared their ideas with the students at the school, who were inspired after listening to these motivational changemakers.
The simple idea was dabba do.
Many, special entrepreneurs came and they shared their experiences with us, their crises, which all they faced, and it was really motivational, and we all, really got inspired with them, and would really like to, introduce this to our school, to even our juniors, so that they can also be a part of it.
There was a video which told us about the Dabba Dole gang, so that focused on preventing open defecation in rural areas, so that I really like.
We have a lot of things happening in school which encourage children to think beyond the textbook, to think beyond the classroom. As change makers, now when this program is over, I'll have this whole band of 400 plus children eager to do something different.
Established in 1957, Tribune Model School Chandigarh aims to create a school atmosphere that focuses on care and holistic development of children. With its fruitful association with Ashoka through Changemaker Day, the school has now set up a Changemaker Club where interested students join, brainstorm over creative solutions for problems around them and implement it.
They don't want to work hard to earn that respect.
It's picking up momentum in school in a very big way, because from my room I can see these change-making students walking back with a purpose in their mind, with a determination in their eye. When they go back home, there's a purpose, because I'm sure there's something ticking back more than the homework that they're given in the class. So it's had a huge impact on these children.
The first step is empathy. Feeling empathetic for someone. If he or she is facing any problem, first we have to feel that problem. The second step is problem solving. Getting a solution which is appropriate. And the third step is teamwork. If we have a team, we can work in a very good manner. Then we have a collaboration. We can collaborate with some NGOs.
When they are begging, they are needy to adult, and in this they don't have any scope of development. When we are young, we start learning about these skills, and these skills, like, we learn them and we have them here in our heart permanently. So when we have the empathy in us from young, we learn all the skills we require. We have our creative minds. We can implement ideas, out of the box things we can think out. So I believe that's why starting young is better, because you have a whole great life ahead for you to do the work.
Asha, what happened? Any problem? Don't worry, you are normal. You have attained the next stage.
A student from the 11th standard, Harshita, took inspiration from the Changemaker Day and started an initiative to educate young women about menstrual hygiene. As they say, change begins at home. Harshita started by talking to kids in her own school and now takes workshops in several other schools as well.
I wanted to work on this topic before, but when Ashoka Changemaker Day happened, they gave me a platform to do this. I started conducting workshops starting from my schools. I spoke to girls of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I get a good response from them. So I think I should start it in other schools also. So I start conducting workshops at various government schools, and now I am planning to conduct workshops with a gynecologist in slum areas. It was a great experience, but I faced lots of challenges. Like, first challenge was to convince my parents. Then to form a team, I need to convince team members also, then the team members' parents, then my teachers and students of my school and my classmates, and it was a long journey. Being a change maker is not easy, it is definitely challenging, but it is worth it.
Tribune School strongly emphasizes on the role of parents in developing change-making in young kids and hence ensures active participation of parents in the Changemaker Club as well.
Self-sacrifice, if you give your time, energy and ability.
The school organizes exclusive sessions for parents and joint sessions with both parents and children to help them create a fostering environment for their children at home to learn the change-making skills.
जैसे हम लोग यहाँ आते हैं, हम लोग को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. हमारे जो प्रिंसिपल हैं बहुत अच्छा समझाते हैं, तो हम लोग चलो आते हैं तो उसको हम वैसे ही फॉलो करते हैं कि चलो इस ऐसे करने से शायद डेवलप हो हमारे बच्चे, तो उसका प्रभाव तो पड़ता है. हाँ, मैंने वर्कशॉप सारी अटेंड करी है, मैंने कोई नहीं छोड़ती मैं.
Tribune Model School's vision is to build an ecosystem of change making in the entire city.
Old age homes come into the existence. So what is your input on this?
Transforming the existing old age home to a new space, doing a charity on them. So
The school organized a first-time ever inter-school Changemaker Fest in the Tri-City area, where numerous schools participated.
Lays the foundation for genuinely creating social impact.
While exclusive sessions for teachers of other schools were held, a Changemaker idea competition was organized as well, where other students came and presented their plans to an eminent jury.
The Inter-School Changemaker Fest was an amazing platform for students like us to put forth our viewpoints and our opinions. I got to know about so many kids working for projects like cyberbullying and cleanliness. So I would also like to be a part of those, because that's also contributing to the society in a much better way.
During the fest, I got acquainted with this Changemaker teachers as well, where I also learned a lot that how I can be a Changemaker teacher, how I can change the things happening around me in my school, in my vicinity. So it's a great thing that I have also got a platform because of this Changemakers team, that how I can contribute to it by being a motivation and a leader to them.
I think this is the time for change making. Tribune Model School has taken the plunge into being the change maker, and we are all set to roll it on.
The progressive schools that Ashoka partners with enable all students to become change makers. Aklavya International School in Puducherry is another such school taking up the mantle of change making. Sri Ram, a student of Aklavya, also an Ashoka youth venturer, for his initiative to convert plastic to fuel, was inspired to bring back the Changemaker Day to Aklavya.
Basically, I did a project in which I used to convert waste plastic into usable diesel and fuel. So this got me a selection to the Ashoka panel, where I had to go present my idea in front of 5 amazing people. And there I met a lot of change makers from all across the country who had excellent ideas, which made me feel that what I was doing was not enough. And then we had this Ashoka. I just thought how I can bring this change-making thing to my school and to whole of Pondicherry. That's when we first did the Changemaker Day at our school, where we had 2 amazing youth venturers who had come to our school to give us an inspiration. And then we also had people from Ashoka coming in to help us with that.
To institutionalize the impact of the Changemaker Day, the students partnered with an organization called Better Plus Education that runs a Changemaker education program in different schools across the country. This Changemaker education is now taught to middle school students in Aklavya. As a part of this program, students undergo many experiential, activity-based sessions and also launch initiatives to solve real-world problems they find in their school or community to develop a change-making mindset right from a young age.
The 11th standard has introduced a Changemakers curriculum to the 9th standard and the 8th standard. It teaches us various change-making skills which are not been taught to us normally in our normal classes.
And Javi, what do you think this is? A role?
I think it's a role or a path.
In one of the sessions, we were made to stand in a line, and a simple action was given to somebody, and he had to pass it from one person to another. But by the time the action had got passed, it had completely changed by the time it reached the last person. From this activity, it has shown us that miscommunication occurs easily in the society, and through this simple activity, it has also shown us that how important effective communication is.
This Changemaker curriculum had a really positive effect on my life. Like, it has taught me how to solve problems creatively with a slight twist in them. And like, when you can learn it really properly, you can teach it to the other people, and they can teach it to the others. So it's like a chain and can spread like really easily.
The The Changemaker education program also entails a one-of-its-kind assessment component which the students undergo to measure the Changemaker skills of empathy, teamwork, creative problem-solving and collaborative leadership. A detailed report is generated that helps them identify their areas of strength and improvement at the end.
Child who is in the school today, in 21st century, has too many choices for a career, for a expression, for his own enthusiasm to go into the world and declare who he is. And the profession is having multitude of options today. Right? In the world, the shelf life of any career is now not there. The way they are going to see the 21st century, they have to prepare themselves for the things that are unknown to even the people who are teaching them. So, as educationists, we cannot predict the future, but we can prepare him for the future that is unpredictable. And for sure, in that space, he can also influence the future to bring about a change in the scenario what is already existing.
Devesana, a student of Aklavya International, developed a unique uniform for our army officers battling extreme weather. The Changemaker Day also helped her figure out how she could take her initiative further and cause real impact.
My initiative is warm and cool jacket for army soldiers because they used to work in very harsh temperatures and climate. I used a Peltier module. In that, it actually regulates the temperature as per the surrounding temperature. If it's hot outside, we will feel cool inside. And if it's cool outside, you will feel warm inside. After the Changemakers Day, I met Chief Minister of Pondicherry, Mr. Narayanasamy sir. He appreciated me in several ways and he also encouraged me to do this project. Change making to me is having an idea, building a team and making an impact.
The impact of the Changemaker Day clearly reflects in the various initiatives started by Aklavya International School. The Technology for Change-Making session aims to educate children about the use of technology to solve complex problems.
In our school, many students are interested in technology. So to channelize their interest in technology, our school has started an initiative called the Technology for Change Making. So our school actually calls many experts from various fields to help us develop these ideas, where we discuss with them about our ideas and our opinions, and they help us to develop the ideas. So one of them were the adoption of stray dogs. Around our school, there are a lot of stray dogs who need help and are hungry every time. So we are developing an app which would help the stray dogs. Any person who finds a stray dog can take the picture of the stray dog and then mention the location and the characteristics and then post it on the app. Anyone who is interested can start the process of adoption. This way it helps the dog and also brings about a positive change in the society.
Completely run and managed by the students, the Aklavya International Canteen is certainly a hotspot. Not only do students take turns to plan and arrange the food, they also physically handle the canteen and accounts.
Some of the students from commerce background have come up with an idea to start a student-run cafeteria.
We bring up two stalls. One is for packaged foods, which we bring from outside, and then other is which we make on our own. So we arrange a classroom and then we display all our food items, and then every students from every class come and buy it from us.
We literally learn how a business is running and how to set up a further business, how to expand our business and how to commercialize it. Change making is not only about bringing social changes but also about building an enterprise.
In line with the change-making skills, the students of Aklavya International School also started an initiative to educate people about the perils of open defecation.
Our school is around slums. So every day that we used to come to the school, we would see many people openly defecating around the school and the premises. So our classmates and us took an initiative to help enrich these people with the knowledge they need about this Swachh Bharat movement. So from the first time that we came here, we have seen massive improvement in the less amount of people and even their children who stopped, their parents who stopped them from openly defecating.
Change making is a multidisciplinary approach. We need everybody who matters for the child, the society, the parent community, the teaching community, their peer group, okay, and everybody who plays a major part needs to understand the importance of change making.
Ashoka believes that there is an urgent need to incorporate these change-making skills and mindset in today's education system. What's needed in schools are experiences that closely resemble the modern-day workplace, one where people move between different roles and responsibilities, identify complex problems, work in teams, and solve them. This is the only way to equip our students with the change-maker skills of the 21st century, essential for their success. And we all need to come together as a collective to achieve this.